We've gotten to a stage now with AI that anyone non-technical can code up their own Garmin watch face in the matter of hours using Claude Code. I'm non-technical and I just coded up a custom Garmin watch face for surfers that tracks live weather based on the live location of their watch, and I did it in just a few hours using Claude Code. If you own a Garmin watch, I bet you know the default watch faces are pretty underwhelming. They have all this useful data locked behind their menus, yet the watch face only really shows you like the time and the heart rate, which look, the Fitbit did in 2009. But what if all that data could be unlocked? What if you could customize exactly what you want and put it where? Well, you actually can using Claude Code within VS Code. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in just hours as someone without a coding background. As a bloke living in Western Australia, blessed to live near the ocean to surf, dive and fish, I found myself checking the weather 4 to 5 times a day for forecast checks. But what if I had a live read of that data on my wrist based on my location? What if we could use APIs to show useful data on my watch? Think of an API like a receptionist at a data vault. You give them your unique password, they hand you the data you need. So I asked Claude whether this was possible. Claude said it was. I got the project go-ahead from co-founder Misty, and it was time to start building. In our case, we'll be using the Open Meteor API. So to kick off the project, it was time to design the user interface and user experience. So I signed up to the most popular design tool out there, which every AI entrepreneur is using right now, Microsoft Paint. Now, in all seriousness, I started the mock-up using PowerPoint and a website called Flaticon. I downloaded a canvas watch face and a few icons, and I got planning. I quickly got to an MVP stage, screenshotted it, then told Claude to build it, while I sat back thinking I'm a new SaaS founder expecting the money to start rolling in from Garmin Marketplace once I deploy this thing. Wrong. It gave me this. Now, I know this looks crap, but Claude pretty much one-shot our objective. Look, it struggled with the API, the data refresh, and especially the icon and data positioning from my prompt. So from here, I used WisperFlow, a voice-to-text tool, to talk to Claude through the fixes in real time, just describing what I saw and what I wanted changed. From here, I was happy with the MVP and just submitted the app to Garmin Marketplace so the public can test and benefit from this idea too. So a couple of days later, I got an email from Garmin saying our app was approved and it's officially live on Garmin Marketplace. Go download the watch face for free and test it out, link in the description. If you want a step-by-step guide on how someone non-technical built this app in just a few hours, head on over to my website, link in the description also.